Why it has to be so hard for the average human to just play some games on their computer, some Windows or DOS games? Why? If I have to run a Windows game, I have to select Windows, Windows Program Loader. If I had to run a DOS games, I had to select DOSBox, and if I wanted to run a Starbot, I had to run it on a terminal. So, and even then, will they work? What happens if I run this game in this particular system on DOSBox? It doesn't work. What if I run it with the Windows Program Loader? It fails. So what? And what happens if I want to start but here? I will see only a bunch of commands. So why it has to be so hard? So for that we have now the program execute. Execute simplifies executing exe files and make them just work out of the box, no matter what kind of file it is. If it is Wine, or if it is a Windows program, or it is a DOS program, it will just figure out the right emulator and configuration so it looks like a native program. So if I wanted to run this game with execute as default, I just to do this. I click on it and the game will open. This is the configuration screen, and if I wanted to run this game, I click on it and it will open. You see? Probably you are seeing some glitches on the screen, but that's only because the screen recorder doesn't know when the screen resolution has changed. But on my screen it looks well, you know. Only in the screen record you see those glitches. So, no matter what the exe file it is, it opens just by clicking on it. And what if I wanted to run this game that only works with a bat file? That won't work with the executable, this executable. What can I do? I right click on it and select Batman, and it opens too. It works. So that's it. That's what execute does. It makes simple and easy going to open any executable from the file manager itself. So even if your mom or your girlfriend or anybody that doesn't know how to, you know, complex computing, they will be able to play those games without further hassle. And that's all. Have a nice day.